Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of AI and its impact on the social media marketing. Specifically, we will be exploring ChatGPT and how it can supercharge your social media strategy. So let's start with the basic. ChatGPT is a large language model from the OpenAI that can generate text, translate languages, write different kind of creative contents, and answer your questions in an informative way, like brainstorming content ideas, crafting captivating captions, saving time on content creation, and understanding your audience. And if you are really interested in learning AI tools, then we have a wonderful workshop with us that I will discuss in the later part of this video.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Now, let's get practical. Here are some ways you can use ChatGPT for the social media marketing. So first, I told that what I am and who I am and what my intentions is, and it immediately provided me with a great post that I could copy and paste into a social media, any social media that allows many characters, which brings up my next point. If you are limited to the character, let's say you are creating tweets or Twitter, or sometime I can tell it to convert that post to a Twitter tweet, and then scroll down and here's my Twitter tweet. Now there's a couple of things that you and I may not want. You may not want all these symbols. You may not want to be more specific. You may not want to be more friendly. You may not want to be more conversational. The other thing that you can do is you can ask ChatGPT to give a specific persona. So let's see how different this post would be if I was created a very successful author and a course developer inviting current students into a sneak peek preview or a sneak peek, right? So I'm just going to change my prompt, change the first script, but first I want to let ChatGPT know that it's doing a great job and that what it's providing is exactly what I want. So I'm going to give a prompt, please rewrite, so it can see this script is changing. The output is by providing the ChatGPT with a more input about goal and who they are. So I'm just going to choose enter, and we saw the original prompt provided by the OpenAI. I have been working on something truly special, a comprehensive course about the ChatGPT, the incredible AI language model by OpenAI, and you can see it's very friendly and fun. I would suppose, let's see what my new prompt has. Now I have an exclusive sneak peek alert. As the creator of the wildly successful ChatGPT mastery, don't you all think it's very wordy? And what it doesn't do, it's appeal to if I were marketing expert, I would say I'm not solving the student's problem. Right up front, I'm not engaging the reader and why they should continue to read by solving a problem. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT, but before giving another prompt to rewrite, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tool workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Now, let's get back to the tutorial to rewrite this one more time. Okay, so let's start. How this changed your time-saving solution is here, an exclusive sneak peek for my incredible students, and I still feel like this is a very wordy, and that is one of the problem with the ChatGPT. So what can I do is I can just copy this portion and I can ask the ChatGPT to turn this into the social media post. I'm also going to introduce a term like white space. So white space is all that area in between the writing and the words that allows somebody to quickly read what it is, and that seems very wordy to me. And there's a lot of words in order to get to the point where they click a button to get access to something. So I'm just going to rewrite this and ask ChatGPT to add more white space. So what ChatGPT has done here is completely revision the post and really brought it down to addressing issue and solving the problem. Doesn't tell you how it's going to solve the problem, doesn't give you any of that information, but that's not a bad thing. Because when it comes to the social media marketing, you really want people to step into your sales, invitation, which is a funnel designed to gain trust, where you are creating a conversation in with the people interested in what you have to offer. And the way that is a particular post reducing that offer is by addressing their very painful problem. Now it may look like I have typed just as much in that social media in that prompt for the ChatGPT as ChatGPT provided, but look at the difference between what I typed. I just kind of the what I have typed the sentences, and I said here what I want, and then ChatGPT took that to what I wrote and created something more. And now that's exactly what I want. And if that is the tone, and if that is the idea of what I want, then I'm going to ask it now create a several posts similar to that, and let's do it in this way. I'm going to say great, and now it's actually creating 5 more versions similar with the same drive with the same idea. And I know that it's a awesome that you can literally copy this and paste this, I know. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to copy the and paste this entire stream, and I'm going to provide that so you can see exactly what I have written. I'm not going to start up here when I can start up here. Startup here is exactly what I have written to get this very incredibly motivating positive marketing tool is a social media post. So here's the wrap. Hope you all got the idea how you can get the prompt and how you can rewrite the prompt and adjust the post as per your requirements. So do hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. This was Ushma signing off. Until next time.